Welcome back to You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. I'm Gary, a clinical audiologist and part of the ownership team here at Advanced Hearing Group in Scottsdale, Arizona. This is earwax removal vlog number 40. To celebrate number 40, we're going to take a look at an ear that was quite a mess. Unlike in our last video where I was able to pull everything out in one big chunk, which I really loved, this one is going to be a bit more challenging. There's quite a bit of wax in here, and my curette's going through it like a hot knife through butter. This is a long-time patient who has a long-standing history of impacted earwax since they were back as a child. Their primary care doctor used to remove the wax via irrigation, and that's actually their preferred method. So we're going to remove what's at the outside and get a hole in the wax so we can do some irrigation and provide the patient with some relief. Since this patient's been suffering with this since childhood, I thought we would talk about some childhood things associated with hearing for our Did You Know? So today, we're going to talk about speech delay and ear infections. And are they at all connected? Did you know that children who suffer from chronic ear infections often have fluctuating hearing loss? This fluctuating hearing loss can contribute to speech delays, mispronunciations of words, and difficulty forming sentences. Make sure if your child's experiencing a speech delay, you have their hearing evaluated. Alright, while we were doing that Did You Know, we ran through some irrigation. You can see that the color and texture of the earwax itself changed. The water that went into the ear was nice and clear. The water that came out was kind of a brownish red. Not very appealing. We're going to use the curette now to try to remove what's way back there. You can see as we start moving it a little bit, it's kind of rolling. That tells us that there's actually a big ball of wax in the back, and hopefully this will just stay together. We may need to use a little bit more irrigation, or we may be able to get away with just using the curette. Either way, the patient's been very happy with this so far. We're not causing the patient any pain. They're feeling a little bit of pressure, but nothing that's really bothersome. If you like these wax removal videos, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really does help us with the YouTube algorithm and helps us get our content in front of more people. Now that we got that huge chunk out of the way, we get a pretty good view of the eardrum. This has been You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.